What's poppin', y'all? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a brand new restock video. I am super excited for this one because we have all new lower pricing starting at just $10 a slime, which makes it more affordable for you to purchase some slime. And of course, like always, the first 5 orders are going to get a free 6-ounce slime. So kicking off this week's video, we are starting off with a brand new slime called Fruit Loop Peeps, and it's inspired by the brand new Peeps marshmallow flavor, which is Fruit Loops. Obviously, I think this one is super cute. It is a butter / cloud cream slime. It's a buttercream slime, however, it's not like mud mask. If you're looking for that type of texture, this one is a lot more soft and a lot more airy, if that makes sense. So it's not as thick and dense as mud mask, but this one is definitely still very nice and creamy. I really love it. It's scented just like Peeps marshmallows and also Fruit Loops, obviously. It's really good, and I love the colors. They're so vibrant and amazing. They're super cute, and these are the colors that the actual Peeps come in as well. So I wanted to do, one layer for each color. It's super cute, and it mixes into like a maroonish type color, and it's very pretty. I love it. It comes topped off with some little loop sprinkles, and also it comes with one Fruit Loop charm. Now, no restock is complete without the queen, Chanel number 2. This is my best seller in the shop. This is a thick and glossy, bubblicious bubblegum scented slime. It's really nice. The scent is super accurate and smells very sweet. And this one is just perfect for like anybody, really, because it's so thick and holdable. It doesn't melt fast. So if you're a beginner slimer or if you've never played with slime before, like ever, this one is definitely a good one to test out to see if you maybe like slime. It is very like simple yet effective because it'll help you calm down. It's very relaxing, and it's also nice to play with and really fun. It has great nipple pops. You can pick it, you can stretch it, you could just play with it while you're on the couch. It's really versatile. Mickey's Easter Basket is back for another Easter season. This one is a fan favorite around this Easter time and the springtime, so I decided to go ahead and bring it back. It is a cloud slime scented like a mixture of candy, and this year it is coming topped off with some glitters as well. We never used to do that before, but it's topped off with glitters and then also Mickey sprinkles, and then it comes with 3 charms, 1 egg and 2 candy charms as well. It's super cute, very drizzly and fluffy, and I love it. If I can fluff this one up and drizzle it, so can y'all. I'm literally the worst when it comes to drizzling cloud slimes, but this one fluffs up very nicely. Next up, we have another slime that is making a comeback with a new look, a different scent, and also a different texture. So this is Acai Bowl here. It is a sleigh slime now, so it is a slime with a little bit of clay in it. It's very creamy and spreadable, really nice and buttery. And then also it is scented just like acai berry and agave lime. It smells really, really good. It will come with a pack of add-ins. So inside of the pack of add-ins, it comes with a couple of almond slices. They're Fimo slices, so they're made out of clay, perfect for adding to your slime. It'll come with 2 fruit charms and some white sprinkles that look like coconut shavings, so you can add that in as well. This is the only slime that's actually going to be coming in the deli containers, just because it makes it look like a real acai bowl that you would get at like a store or a restaurant. So that is why I wanted to go ahead and do that, just to make it look authentic, because it looks really realistic now. End of the Rainbow is another new slime to the shop, and it's actually my favorite this restock. I love it so much. It is a clear, unscented slime, and it's actually clearing up even more. So by the time it gets to you, it will be like completely clear. It's just so beautiful. I love it. It has a gold coin, so you can have that like as a charm, or you just keep it, you know, with the slime for the look, for the aesthetic of it all. It also comes with some gold glitters in there, and also those rainbow foam beads in there as well, just to kind of represent the rainbow aspect. I really love this slime. It is perfect for St. Patty's Day, or any day really where there's a rainbow. There's a pot of gold at the end of it, you know. And last, but most definitely not least, we have Baja Blast, which is another bestseller in my shop. This one here is a hybrid textured slime between a cloud dough and an icy slime. It's a lot more fluffy than a normal icy slime, and it's really, really nice. Of course, scented just like a Baja Blast soda. It's like Mountain Dew, but a tropical version of it with blue raspberry and pineapple notes. It's really, really good, and I just really love it so much. It gets really fluffy and sizzly, and it's amazing. Alrighty, y'all, well, that is pretty much it for this restock video. I really hope you all enjoyed it and found something that you would like to purchase. Don't forget, we do have lower prices, so make sure you go ahead and check those out, as it's more affordable now to purchase some slime. And we do open the shop today at 6 p.m. Central Standard Time, so make sure you check your local time. If you're in a different time zone, you might want to convert that so you can be there early so you can snatch the slimes that you want. Thank you all so much for watching. I love you very freaking much, and I will see you all next time. Bye!